How to change time on Fitbit. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the time on your Fitbit device. If you've ever wondered how to set a time or adjust it when it's wrong, this tutorial is for you. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to know that Fitbit automatically syncs the time based on the time zone you set in the Fitbit app. If the time is wrong, it's usually because your time zone settings needs to be adjusted in the app. Let me show you how to do that. First things first, grab your phone and open the Fitbit app. If you don't have it yet, you can simply go ahead and download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, simply tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. This takes you to your account settings. Now here you can simply find Fitbit settings, simply tap on that. Now scroll down and tap on app settings. Now look for the date, time and unit section, simply tap on it. Now, if it's set incorrectly, make sure to toggle set automatically is turned on. Now, what you can do is simply click on time zone and click on set automatically. If it's wrong, you can simply toggle it off and click on it over here and choose whichever it is best. Now, what you need to do is simply go back to the main screen and make sure your Fitbit device is connected to your phone. Simply tap the sync icon to sync your Fitbit with the app, and this should update the time automatically on your device. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like,